and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making a butter bean recipe. So for our ingredients, we have olive oil, onion, garlic, we have chicken broth, we have about a pound of dry lima beans, we have a smoked turkey leg, some Creole seasoning, and a bay leaf. Just some simple ingredients for a delicious side dish. You want to fill your Dutch oven or your soup pot with water enough to cover your lima beans and place it on the stove to boil. Once the water has boiled, you want to remove it from the heat and add your lima beans and allow your beans to soak for at least 1 hour, and then you want to drain them. You want to place your Dutch oven or your soup pot on medium-high heat and add some olive oil. When hot, we're going to add our onions and our garlic. We're going to saute until translucent and fragrant. Next, we're going to add our chicken broth. And I added 2 cups of water. I decided to cut the meat off of my smoked turkey leg. So here I'm just adding the pieces. And now I'm adding in my lima beans. We're just going to mix that up. And here we're going to add our salt. And we're going to add our Creole seasoning. And we're just going to mix that up really well. These butter beans are delicious. They are good when you pair them with some old-fashioned classic buttermilk cornbread and some turkey and ham. And we're going to add our bay leaf. You want to place a lid on your pot and lower the heat to medium-low. We're going to cook anywhere from 1.5 to 3 hours until the beans are soft. You can test them if they're done by grabbing one of the beans out of the pot and mashing it with a spoon or a fork. You want to open up your pot and remove your bay leaf. So today we made butter beans. They were delicious, so delicious. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this recipe or even this video, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe.